Futures slide beforehand of Powell's congressional testimony. Wall Street futures fell on Wednesday after a broad-based rally within the previous session, with investor focus squarely on Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's congressional testimony to gauge the tempo of future hobby price hikes. U.S. inventory indexes had been whipsawed in recent periods as investors debate whether or not the marketplace has hit a backside in the wake of a pointy sell-off on issues that aggressive policy actions through valuable banks should cause a global economic slowdown. Powell is scheduled to testify earlier than the Senate Banking Committee at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, 1400 GMT, and the House Financial Services Committee on Thursday. Market contributors will parse his feedback for clues on how the Fed will stability economic boom because it plans to raise charges to fight inflation, that's strolling at greater than 40-year high. The U.S. valuable financial institution Ultimate Week hiked hobby price by means of 0.75% factor, its largest fee increase given that 1994. A ballot determined economists assume a similar flow subsequent month, accompanied with the aid of a 0.5 percentage point upward thrust in September. Oil prices skid more than 4% as U.S. President Joe Biden driven to cut taxes on gasoline to lessen costs for drivers amid irritated family members among the White House and the U.S. oil enterprise. O.R., Devon Energy, NYSE, DVN, and Marathon Oil, NYSE, MRO, dropped approximately 5% every in pre-market trading to steer losses the various oil and gas groups. At 06:41 a.m. ET, Dow M&S had been down 381 points, or 1.25%, S&P 500 M&S were down 54.5 factors, or 1.45%, and Nasdaq 100 M&S were down 193.25 factors, or 1.67%. The essential indexes closed extra than 2% better on Tuesday, led through gains in stocks of megacap growth and power agencies, after the S&P 500 index final week confirmed it was in a endure market and logged its largest weekly percent decline for the reason that March 2020. The benchmark index is down greater than 21% from its report last high on Jan 3. Shares of megacap increase and ERA agencies slipped. Tesla, Nasdaq, TSLA Inc. turned into down 2.3%, after gaining 9.3% within the preceding session in its fine one-day performance because January 31. Boeing NYSE, BA, Co. dipped 1.8% after the planemaker warned of supply chain troubles to persist almost until the stop of 2023.